So we're coming along with our MaxxForce DT engine repairs. The top end is back together. We've replaced one injector and the injector harness, and there's also a high pressure oil leak. One of the sensors was loose, and the exhaust brake valve was loose. Don't know why. We might have been losing some high pressure oil, which affects injection. And we've got the exhaust manifold torqued up. And next is the EGR cooler, which we had to replace. It failed the pressure test. And we removed the fender air filter assembly and the wheel. Just makes for easy access. Of course, the doghouse. That's a huge bonus. You don't have to stand on your head too much when you work on these engines. And the EGR cooler replacement is on the bench. It's quite the unit, and it is heavy. Yeah, about 50 pounds. I'm replacing the exhaust brake cylinder. The spring tension is really stiff on these, and if you can pull it out, stick it in the vise, it should be replaced. So it needs a real heavy return spring tension. Everything else is ready to go, so it's just putting it back together. And it's going to run a lot better than it did. I had a bad miss and had to get towed in. And looking forward to the road test.